How to change Gmail password. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change your Gmail password. Now changing Gmail password is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. Simply open up Gmail app and you'll get an interface like this. Now tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen, and here you can see you'll get options to choose Gmail. Now make sure you are signed into the account that you want to change password of, and once you sign in, what you want to do is tap on the Gmail account here and then make sure you are on the Gmail account that you want to change password of. Now here I have three different IDs. Now I'll just select bipinbasant1@gmail.com. You can see second one, and once you tap on it, you'll be switched to that account. Now again, tap on the profile icon at the top right, and then what you want to do is tap on the manage your Google account option. Simply tap on it and it'll take you to another browser here, and you can see it's signed into my Google account here, and I'm here on this page. Now on this page, what you want to do is tap on the personal info information here, and once here, what you want to do is scroll all the way down below until you find the option password. Now you can see here a secure password helps protect your Google account. Simply tap on the password option here, and then you'll be able to change your password here. Now you can see to continue, first verify that it's you. Simply enter your old password and then tap on next, and then it'll ask you for new password. Simply type in your new password and then tap on save, and your Gmail password will be changed. So this way you can change Gmail password. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.